Hi guys, welcome to the channel, The Pound Trader here. In this video, I am going to be documenting all the trades that I'm able to take this week in real time. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so let me just start by saying, but this is not a vlog. Basically, I'm just going to be documenting every time I'm able to take a trade. We're going to be seeing it like live execution from MT4 and also from TradingView. I want you guys to see my thought process and how I feel whenever I take a trade, or even when I'm not able to take a trade, you guys can also see why I'm not able to take the trade. So in case you guys don't know, I'm in the creative industry in film and theater. Sometimes depending on the project, nakwanga inje, but this week I don't have any projects. I just have an errand and an event, so I'm mostly going to be indoors. So I'm quite curious to see where these trades will find me, because I will be taking you guys along. So today is the 26th of January. It's the last week, and the GU had this very big impulsive move here, and I really wanted to get a trade at these levels here, but unfortunately I was not able to get one. So currently right now what I'm looking at is maybe if I can get a retracement. I'm not too sure if it might want to pass this level here, because when we go over on the daily time frame, we still have this wick and a potential for price to go to head on higher. So I'm currently scared to enter because I don't really see any opportunity for me to take a buy as of right now. So what I would preferably like to see is maybe a pullback towards these levels here or even above, and then we see what happens from there. But right now, this candle is one that's closed, and it's not the best candle. I wanted like a bearish engulfing maybe to maybe confirm like the sell for a retracement, but currently I'm going to have to just be on a standby. Trade day for me. I didn't like that 4-hour candle, and I don't trade past 7 p.m. East African time because Asian session is just around the corner, so it's a no for me. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what Tuesday has to offer. I'm just going to continue with my other work, and then we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so today is Tuesday the 27th of January, and I feel like I'm about to take my first trade of the week. When I come over here, you can see it is exactly 1 p.m. The 4-hour candle has just closed, and so right now what I'm thinking of doing is taking a buy back up to these levels here, and I will explain why in a minute, but let's go to MT4. Whew. So I'm currently on my MT4, and yeah, you can see that right now price is going down a little bit, which is fine for me because that means I can still get a better entry. And you guys can see that I usually go to my FX book. Right now I haven't timed everything. This is happening so fast and I'm recording, but I come to my FX book here. I come to Forex calculators. So the main reason I'm actually okay, I'm not panicking, is because I can see it's making a little pullback. And this is probably something that's happening on the, what's it called? On the 15-minute or on the lower time frame. So that's still okay, but I don't want to take too much time. So I don't know. I feel like today I'm quite torn because I'm supposed to be risking 0.5%, but I don't know how long I'll be able to take these 0.5%, and it's just like, yo. So I don't think I'm at the right place. Hold on. Pip calculator. Oh, they've changed it. Oh, position size. Yes. Position size calculator. I have to be observing the market. Hey, the last thing I need is for the internet to be lagging right now. So I usually come to the position size calculator that is on my FX book. I look for my currency pair, which is GBP USD. And then my account size. So this is my 25K FTMO account. So I think I'm going to be risking 1%, and my stop loss is 30. So when I calculate it, it's 0.8 lots. And usually what I'll do is I'll come here because I also want my my stop loss to be 30 pips. There we go. And I think I'm going to be doing a 1:3 right there. And that will give me at least more room. So you can see, even as I go to the, to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, it's making like a pullback, which is nice because it has broken above this. So I'm okay taking this trade around here and targeting a 1:3 back up to those levels. So Now let me come to my FTMO. This is where the job starts. And guys, you always want to make sure that your prop firm has good reviews. And one way to do that is to come to Prop Firm Match, which allows you to compare different prop firms. And here you can just come over and click reviews, and you can see the top prop firms with good reviews with the highest ratings. You can see here the 5%ers, 4.8 here. FTMO, which is what I'm using, is 4.6. And guys, this site has over 5,000 reviews from verified traders who are actually using these prop firms. So coming over to Prop Firm Match, make sure they have good reviews, see what people are saying, because you never know. Some of them have denied payouts, some of them have weird rules. So you always want to make sure that you're reading what people are saying, just to make sure that you are on the right side of these prop firms. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to come over to my I hope you can see. So I'm going to come over to my FTMO account, and I'm basically just going to make a buy trade. So I don't know if I'll be risking 1%. I'm panicking a bit right now because I'm just like, oh gosh. So 0.83, and this I've gotten it from my position size calculator. It's always important to always calculate your position size. So yeah, 0.83. Oh, so will I be risking 1%? It's not the best trade. I could easily right now just decide to risk 0.5, but I'm feeling a little bit confident, just a little bit, because of what the dollar is doing. I know this is a very overextended move, but there is a lot of space here. And also when I move over to the daily time frame, you guys will see something. You guys, there is this very similar move that happened here. And you can see over here, it continued dropping till here. It consolidated a bit around this level here, and then it later ended up dropping. So I feel like even with leaving these gaps, I know I don't like gaps, but I'm feeling like, I'm hoping that this move will just replicate itself, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna take a move. I think I'm just going to risk 1%. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So I usually just buy first, and then I'll put the stop loss later so that I can get the exact figures. Not too late though, so I usually come and make sure I look at with the exact place that I've entered, and then I'll come here on the trading view. Then I will write my exact entry price from my MT4. So that is 6887. Okay, and then so once I do that, that's now when I can start adjusting 300, 900. And you can see once I start correcting these, it'll now give me where I should now input on my MT5. Yeah, on my MT4. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, we can see here that I've entered there, and I usually lock it just so that I can avoid any movement, so that I can know this is exactly where I've entered also from my MT4 account. And then I will come and put my stop loss. So yeah, my stop loss now is at, where is this? 1.3657. So yeah, modify. I'm putting my stop loss right now, 1.336587. And then I'm coming to put my take profit at 1:3, 1.37787. Okay. All right. Now I have two prop firm accounts, so I usually do that this on the same what is it called? Same MT5. So yeah, let's enter on this one as well. 0.83. So I really try to be fast because now I'm working with both accounts, and I'm just trying to get at least the closest entries at least. And you can see this one, it's just a pip, 1.3886. So that means even my stop loss will probably be at the same area. So yeah. So you guys have seen, I have just entered the trade. So right now what I'm going to do is usually immediately after I enter trade, I put it in my trading journal, and then I will just close my laptop and just finish with some other chores that I was doing. And yeah, we hope for the best. I try to not look at my trades as frequently. So I'm just going to visit this probably in like an hour, but sometimes you're usually tempted to check out your trade. So you guys will see the results of this trade, and we'll see if it's going to be a win or a loss, how long it's going to take, I'll be updating that in the same video. So yeah, the rest you'll find it when I'm making like my prop firm update video. I'll also give you my thought process as to why I entered this trade, because that's going to be something different from what I'm trying to do right now. So yeah, I'm panicking. I'm hoping for the best, guys. My prop firm, you guys know my situation, so I'm really hoping for the best. Cheers. Oh, and usually, I usually put this alert just below my entry near my stop loss, so that I know if price is approaching my stop loss, I will get an alert on my phone in case I'm busy. And in case this one does that, I'll be here to update you on the trade. Okay, guys, I am back, and this trade is moving on nicely. Now, I reduced my TP to, a risk to reward of 1:2 instead of 1:3, so I just targeted 60 pips. It hasn't hit my take profit yet, but the main reason I've reduced it is because this market is honestly quite overextended, and I feel like, yes, we do have the possibility of coming to here, but just to be safe, I am just going to do a 1:2. That is if it hits take profit, which I will update you. So currently right now, I just want to move it to break even. So I'm just going to modify it, and I'm going to move it to my entry, and my entry is at 1.36. Let's see, what's that? 36887. Yeah, so this position, I'm just going to move it to break even just so that it can be a risk-free trade. So I'm also going to go ahead and secure 75% of these profits just in case the market goes and reverses on me. So basically what you do is you go on your MT4 and you say close order. But before I close the order, currently my profits are running at 450 around there, and I want to secure 75%. So basically I will just do 75% of 450 is 337, which is okay by me. And not only that, but I will also do 75% of my lot size, which was 0.83. So that means when I input 0.62, rounding it off, that will secure the 330 that you've just seen. So let me just go ahead. Oh, well, it's almost going to my take profit, guys. Should I leave it? I don't know. I'm a bit nervous for this one because, oh wow. We're watching this in real time, guys. Real time. This is the first time I'm getting this on video, actually. Wow. So let me just zoom in, and we can see almost just like a pip remaining. It might reverse. So let me just secure the profit. So I'm going to just not close, but I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to close order. And then I am going to input the lot size, which I saw on my calculator, which is 0.62 there. And I'm going to close with profit. And there we go. And you can see my trade is still running. So this is the remainder of these very few pips that are remaining. I don't know how many pips are left. How many pips are left? Yeah, around 5 pips, So you can see, guys, this could very easily reverse. But once again, I will be back. We'll see how this plays out. But at least I've gotten something that I could use to at least add something to my prop firm so that I can trade with it for the next time. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see how this trade goes. Oh my goodness, guys. I am back on the charts and GU has decided to fly. Yo. I was aiming for a 1:2, which was around where, I don't know if you can see it with this brightness, I'm sorry. But yeah, I was aiming for a 1:2, which was around that area there. But you can see, if at all I did just hold on to my 1:3, that could have hit take profit. Oh my, wow. So my market is flying, and right now we're just at a sensitive area. I'm satisfied with my 1:2, but I think next time I should just trust my instincts, because, you know, with the pound USD, usually when you can see former key levels, price usually tends to come back to them. So it is what it is. We'll see whether we can start getting those pullbacks, those sells, and yeah, we'll keep you updated throughout the week. Hey guys, that is it for this video. So you guys have seen how I take a trade from start to finish. There's a lot of emotions going on over there, lots of thoughts, but that is the reality of trading, or at least that is the reality of how I take a trade. Hopefully you've learned
a thing or two. And if you found this video interesting, please let me know, and I can definitely make another one in the near future. So yeah, that is it for me. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.